My name is Tom Bravish. I'm a geotechnical engineer. I've worked for ODOT for 16 years. I work with the earth, dirt, rock, water, how that applies to the infrastructure that we have on the highway. The Oneonta Tunnel is right next to the Oneonta Gorge. We are just east of Multnomah Falls, a handful of miles. As part of our investigation following the Eagle Creek fire, we've got some stacks of rock up above the entrance to the tunnel that we'd like to clear out. We have an opportunity now to bring down some of that hazard and really improve the safety out here.
This is a scaling bar.
Scaling is simply removal of loose rock.
I run around on the face of a hill, like you walk on a sidewalk.
Scaling can be challenging. It takes experience.
Well, this is what we hang from. This is our 5-point harness.
One of the other things that we're really focused on is bringing down this rock in smaller pieces.
Got the spoon in for prying and point in, poking.
Our scaling contractor brought out a mobile rockfall barrier. It's essentially like a very strong chain link fence. As we bring down the rock, it's going to hit the highway and want to bounce.
We got the train here and the tracks. We got to protect that.
ODOT will be contracting to rebuild the tunnel the way it was before the fire, and that work is scheduled to kick off this fall. We're so fortunate to have the Columbia River Gorge in our backyard. It's amazing and beautiful geology. As a state, we want to make it as available for as many users as possible to come out and see it, and we want to make it as safe as we can.